everybody, how you all doing out there? So here today we have the last installment, we think, of the Universal Yums series, I guess you call it. But so anyways, this one says it's from the home of Cotton Top Tamarind.
That sounds like it might be around
home
Mexico.
of the Cotton Top Tamarind. Yeah, South America, I'd say. Probably northern South America.
Cotton Top, that'd be south. That'd be like Georgia.
Yeah. Georgia.
Carolina.
Yeah.
Alabama.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
they got cotton, it don't get rotten in the cotton.
Let's see where this is from. I say it's South America because the
Sounds like-
tamarind is a monkey,
You know what?
and it's down in there.
It sounds like Guatemala.
Colombia.
Colombia.
That's a big surprise.
That's
Colombia.
coffee.
And it even comes with this map, so when you go there, you'll know what to do.
Yeah, how to speak their language.
You always say, I don't know what to do.
I don't know what to do.
Then it comes with a little book. It tells you all about what they found, where they found it, and that.
Well, who's
And,
slower?
Yeah. So here we go. Who wants to start? How about some Turbana plantain chips, garlic flavored? You try that. And then we have risadas. Oh, this is what Keihin really wants. I don't know what it is, but it's mayonnaise flavored. This looks awful. Bacon chips. Tocineta? Tocineta? I don't know what it is. I don't know Spanish. Ooh, mine smells like ass. Tastes pretty good.
What is it?
Bacon flavored. The smell is terrible. The taste is really good, but it's super salty. I could get that salt out now. How's yours?
You know what it tastes like?
Tastes like chips.
They know those tortilla chips? And it tastes like that, but way more saltier.
Yeah. This is very good. Or, I don't like the texture. This looks like Ruffles. This is the risadas.
There's no mayonnaise flavor to it.
No, I don't taste mayonnaise. Yeah, I do. Yeah, I do. Tastes like mustard mayonnaise to me.
These are plantains. Banana-like things.
They're good. These are La Nina. I don't know. La Nina Duo. It's lemon flavored. This is toasty arepa queso mantequilla.
This don't taste like lemon at all.
Good. I don't like lemon. And then here's another bag. Galetas Maduritas. That looks like cookies. Okay, looks like little cookies. Taste like stale cookies. Stale peanut butter cookies. No peanut butter. Oh, tasteless. Sugar cookies.
I'll tell you what this is. Sugar cookies that taste like cardboard.
Oh, that's definitely corn. Look at them. He says popcorn. I just taste
Oh, have you tried
corn
this?
chips.
Cardboard cookie.
Cardboard cookie, that's about right. You don't like
You can have these.
You don't like that? I don't like it either. Do you like that? That popcorn stuff? I like these. You tried these? Not bad. They don't taste just like regular chips. They're supposed to be lemon flavor. I don't taste any lemon. But I like the taste. Go for
This
something
is
that looks
McDonald's coffee.
good. Max Coco.
Mexico?
Ah,
Wafers.
wafers. Cocoa wafers. Coconut. What's coconut?
Now, after a while, it just tastes like chocolate.
A lot of coconut, a hint of chocolate, but you get used to the coconut. And you start just tasting chocolate. Bianchi bar. You gotta try that.
Tastes exactly like a Snickers bar.
This looks like jelly beans, except where I can't chew them. Try it. Oh, here's sweet. Try that. Dulces Sortidos times 6. Looks like what it says. 6 assorted candies. They look very Spanish-y, Mexican-y. Probably.
What's that?
I don't know. Looks like fudge.
Has a weird texture.
Kind of like no bake.
Oh, coffee. Dark coffee. Well, yeah, very good. What was yours?
Tastes exactly just like caramel, just like a lot of caramel.
Yours tastes like what?
Like a no bake cookie, like.
That sounds good. They all sound good. Because they all look different.
This tastes exactly the same like my last one, except it has the white stuff on it.
That one's moldy. Well, that's weird. It's like a maraschino cherry to me. Well, another. Cholulu must be a candy company manufacturer.
Oh, that's Gummies, isn't it?
I don't know what that is. It's Prositas. Prosit? Is that how you say that? I don't know how to speak Spanish.
In our country, we just say speak American.
Oh! That tasted like chemicals when it hit my tongue.
I like it.
You like it? One thing I've noticed is common with every single country. They all have some kind of candy that tastes like coffee. Keihin didn't like that. I have a bonbon bun.
This tastes the way it looks. I don't think it's for humans. I think it's like cow food or something.
He didn't like it either.
Bun.
Passion fruit. That sounds good, actually. Is it good?
Glue.
Glue. Is that what it tastes like? He has more black dots on his.
Oh, I have black spots on the bottom.
I think it's mold.
You know that like, fruit juice? Like tropical fruit juice.
That's what it's supposed to taste like. Passion fruit.
But
Tropical fruit.
don't taste like that. It tastes like if someone made candy with that. And it can't,
That's what it is.
and I know, but it's all messed up.
Like a little kid invented it.
Yeah, it's like I dropped it on the floor and kept it up.
Keihin didn't like it. John didn't like it. I'm going to try it too. Okay, I'm starting to get a taste. Yeah. yeah, okay.
I'm gay.
Oh God, no again.
Say, only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Something, your little girl or whatever. I don't like this song anyway.
Well, that's pretty much it.